October is Cybersecurity Awareness Month, and it's all about creating a strong online defense. Today, we're focusing on the heart of your online security, your passwords. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to eSecurity Planet, your go-to channel for everything cybersecurity. In this video, we're diving into the world of passwords and how to make remembering complex passwords for all your online accounts a painless process. The National Institute of Standards and Technology, also known as NIST, recently updated their password guidelines. These guidelines offer detailed recommendations for creating strong passwords, which is a crucial part of protecting yourself from cyber attacks. Previously, passwords might require a mix of uppercase and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. While these are still good practices, NIST now prioritizes length over complexity, meaning the longer the passwords, the more secure they are. NIST recommends creating passwords that are at least 12 characters, or go for the ultimate password security by creating passphrases up to 64 characters. So why the shift? Well, attackers use automated tools and things like password lists to help them crack passwords. As a penetration tester, I've used several tools and techniques to crack basic passwords like, spring 2024 ! In mere seconds. So, the longer and more unique the password is, the harder it is to crack. Think of it as like a lock. The more complex the combination, the stronger the security. So if it's that easy, what's the catch? Now, we all have a lot of accounts. In fact, recent studies have shown that one person has an average of 100 accounts. These include banking, shopping, streaming, and more. With so many online accounts, creating and remembering long and unique passwords for each account can feel like an impossible task. And this is why NIST also recommends using a password manager. I want you to think of a password manager like your own personal password vault. It securely stores all of your unique and complex passwords, and you only need to remember one strong master password for the manager itself. So how exactly does a password manager work? It's simple. You create a strong master password, and the manager securely encrypts and stores all of your passwords for all your different websites and accounts. When you need to log into an account, you access the password manager to find the correct password, or you can set it to fill the username and password automatically. Now, while all of this sounds great, not so fast. You see, it's important that you do create a strong master password and make sure to remember it, because if an attacker were to figure out your master password, then that means they would have access to all of your passwords. And if you forget your password, well, you lose all of your passwords. Using a password manager is surprisingly easy. So here's a quick step-by-step guide. First, choose your password manager. Make sure to research your password manager that suits your needs. There are tons of great password managers out there. Some of the popular options include 1Password, LastPass, Dashlane, Bitwarden, and NordPass. Next, download and install your password manager. Follow the instructions for your chosen platform, whether it's your phone, computer, or other mobile device. Create a strong master password. Now remember, this is your key, so make sure it's super secure. Don't use guessable items, birthdays, pet names, or anything that could be found on social media or from a simple search. Take it from a hacker. Next, start adding accounts. Browse to your accounts, log in, and save that information in your vault. Or enter existing login information for your sites directly into the password manager. The password manager will then offer to generate new strong passwords for each account. Lastly, turn on autofill. This will let the password manager automatically fill in your login details when you visit websites. Remember, strong passwords are the key to online security, so don't wait to secure your accounts right now. Head down to the comment section below and let us know which password manager you're curious about. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Thanks for watching eSecurity Planet. I'm Davin Jackson, and I'll see you in the next video. And remember, stay informed, stay secure, and stay safe.